Hello. So is it audible, right, everyone? Hello. I think my mic issue is thing might be. So Satish, everyone. Hello.
Yes, audible.
I'm sorry. I think my mic was completely mute. Yeah, Satish, Anisha, Ashik, Babu, Chandrasekhar, Suma, everyone. I think right now we don't have any questions on this, right? So it's completely data analyst classes, and again doing with like completely real time, like end-to-end applications implements, and again also so the live projects which I'm going to take care here, end-to-end data analyst concept here. So this is a data analyst, and again the syllabus here. So this is a project lifecycle issues, and again that this is a projects where I'm taking care like analysis of patient data, and again loan of like customers, and again employee retentions, industrial combustion energy, and again flights delay analysis, all is store analysis, and again in the AWS cloud also I'm taking with the AWS data analytics is like AWS Kinesis, RDS, and again Glue, and again data pipelines, all these kind of stuffs, and again end-to-end Excel, statistics, and also like completely end-to-end Python's there. Python, and again database with a SQL, MySQL, and again NoSQL with the DynamoDB. So all this kind of stuff's there. And again after that, yeah. So this is the, and again Power BI. So this is what like my end-to-end classes here. Clear? So this is a syllabus full packed, but we missed your statistics, and again NoSQL. No need to worry, that I will be sharing like one more syllabus for that. And again meanwhile, so please have a look on these projects with the live projects. And again after that, so end-to-end like CV preparations, and again interview questions live, sharing on this complete domains. Clear, right? Anyone, any confusions? Hello.
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. All right. So meanwhile, so in the Excel sheet, right? So we'll have a small demo on this Excel sheet. Now in the Excel sheet. So meanwhile, yesterday, everyone seen that Julie AI tool, right? Julie AI tool is a everywhere in the market we are using here. So we can upload any kind of Excel sheet data, and again, we can ask, please do diagnostic analysis, descriptive analysis, right? And also like completely end-to-end any kind of qualitative analysis, quantitative analysis, all these directions we can do that. And it giving the with the dashboards, what is the outcome of these results, everything we did with yesterday, this one. And again, today we can see small bit of Excel, right? In the Excel, what and all the things we can do in real-time scenario, like all the kind of like lookups, arithmetic operations, and again logical functions, and again all these kind of formulas, right? So we can implement there, right? So meanwhile, we can also do it with Power Query, and also Power Query, Power Data, and also Power Pivot, and again pivot tables. So now I will show like small things, how to get the data from the database, like from database, from MySQL database. Right now, so I think there is one database is running in my system. I'll be checking like whether my database is running or not. So right, so it is asking server MySQL database. So meanwhile, everyone need to install this MySQL database workbench. And again, MySQL workbench, I want to start this one. Right? Local instances, MySQL. So I want to start this MySQL, then only it will be connecting. So right now it is telling that MySQL is not running. So what I can do, I'll be going to this MySQL services, and you can click on this MySQL. And so my MySQL is not running here. So what I'll do, I'll be click on start mode. Yeah, so now MySQL is running. Scroll down, and again now just refresh. So now MySQL database is running. We have a multiple databases here, right? So in each database we have a multiple tables also. So what I'll do, I'll be taking like, so this company database, in this company database, we have a employees tables. In the employees tables, like example, if I click on this is employees tables right now. I don't have anything here. In the columns, if I click on these columns, so employee ID, first name, last name, right? So right now I don't have any details at all. So what I can take this, in this case, either company tables we can take. And the company tables we can do here once again. Okay, so in this departments, so right now we have some departments and also like employees. We have some employees data here, and again we have some projects details also here, right? So what I can do, company is a database name, and again tables we have a department, employees, projects. So now, so what I'll do in the Excel sheet, go back here. So server local host, and again what is the database name here? Company. Company is a database name. In the advanced options, we can run the commands. Click OK. Click OK. So now it is connecting here, right? So it is asking like, company departments, tables, employees, table, projects. It is assigning here, right? So now what I can do, company departments. So either any one of the tables, you can take it out here. So I'm taking this. Either we can do load or load to, or else transform data. So if you want to do any kind of transformation of data, we can do this one also, right? So like transformation means any data manipulations, any data violations, any data duplications. If you want to remove all these things, we can remove that one. Okay. So right now I can take this company employees. So if you want load to, so I'm taking like pivot tables, pivot table report, pivot chart, only create connections. Table I want. Okay. Click on this. So right now this table is arriving here, right? So this is a table. Harva Sharma, Priya Patel, salary something, Pujanaya, right? So now what I'll do in the database, I'll be going to this database. The last database name is in the employees. There is a Pujanaya. So now what I'll do, I'll be adding like one more name, like example, Suma. And again, now we can give it like, 26. And again, department ID, I can make it out department ID 3. And again, the package, I can make it out 80,000.00. And again, the second one, 12th one, I can make it out 12th one. And also like, we can make it out. The lot of things will be there. Yeah, Sunil. I'm taking like Sunil also. And again, Sunil 25. So I can make it out department ID 2. And again, I can make it out the package 90,000. Like this, right? This is the one thing. Apply, finish. So now two data are available here, right? So now if I go back here in the Excel sheet, I want two tables. Just you can do refresh. The two details will be available. Is it clear, right, everyone? Any questions here up to here? So like this, we can also go with like any kind of database implementations.
So we have to install this MySQL. It is free or
One second. Yeah, we have to do in the live classes. I'll be showing like all the whenever we start with the MySQL classes and again all this kind of stuffs. Okay.
Can you please explain like how do we get the MySQL data to Excel?
Sorry.
how we get the MySQL data, like this table to
Yeah, so
Excel?
this table we bought it from here, right? In the MySQL. I connected with this database, and in this data, I am integrated to there. You got it, right? So same thing, it will be asking that.
So I didn't get it clearly, sir. Like here in Excel, like which option we have chosen
Yeah,
to get
this
this
option,
data?
right? See, again, one more time, I'll be showing there. See, open the Excel sheet. But here we need to set up this, and we need to add the plugins, everything we should do that. In the live classes, I'll be showing there. So click on the data, and you can here see, this is a Power Pivot, okay? In the get data from database, here from MySQL database, click on this. And again, it will be asking that what is the server name, localhost. And again, the database name, we can give company is a database name, connect. And again, here employees tables, if you want, we can take it out this one. And you can click on the load to. And again, the table, if you want the table format, pivot table report, pivot chart, only create connections, anything is fine. But I'm taking the table like this.
Now I got it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So is it clear, right? Everyone, Anishka, Ashok, Babu, Vaibhav, Vasu, Vicky, Suma,
Yes, sir.
Mohammed, Mustafa. So this is a real-time scenarios, like, so please register like your classes so that like, we can have the live classes, and again, we'll have a great projects here, okay?
And you are going to cover in the coming classes like Power BI, MySQL, Excel, and
Yes, yeah. Power BI, Excel, statistics, Python, and again MySQL database, and again NoSQL database.
okay, sir.
Any questions till now? Any questions? Say, please
No, sir.
register. Please register. The link will be keep on changing with tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and again the live classes will be happening, and again end-to-end real-time scenarios there. Okay.
And may I know the class course duration, sir?
It's 45 to 60 days. Yeah, 65 days.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So any questions till now?
So I have one question.
Yeah.
After completing class, how we got job as a data analyst and
Yeah, so after completion of this course, right, you'll be having like a lot of opportunities. I'll be supporting for like CV, and again some interview questions, and again you guys can like crack this one. That's one of the main thing.
okay, but we have some educational gap and our experience is non-IT background. So is it possible that we have got chance in company to work as a data analyst?
Yeah, see that's possible basically. And again, meanwhile, so you should just say whatever I'm sharing this knowledge, like it is a 4 years of experience, and again definitely you can crack on this.
Okay, so thank you.
Which one is more demanding, data analyst, data scientist, or data engineer?
So currently, data analyst is a great thing, and again, meanwhile, it is a lot of openings right now.
Okay.
Actually, I think data analyst is having more competition because everyone is doing a data analyst course.
See, a data
So
analyst with the cloud data analyst is a combination of this both things is a less manpower and again less knowledge guys. So that's so that's why it is a great thing to choose that one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So any questions? If there is no questions, so we can wind up. And again, meanwhile, so if all goes well, please register it. And again, the link will be changing on this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So thank you everyone then.
Thank you.
Thank you.